Hello everyone, welcome back, and the drawing series is back. So we are drawing Shin Chan, and who doesn't know him? He's a very cute character, to be honest. And Shin Chan with Shinzo. Shinzo is his dog, and yeah, these both are quite a cool pair. That's it. The next is we are drawing some circles here, and okay, so these are the eyes and the nose part for the okay, we are making a fish, and see the the tail of the fish is quite long and the fish is very short. The next is we are drawing a bird here, and that's a typical bird, so you can draw it this way. Now the next is we are drawing a 4 and 2 O's, then joining the eye part, and so we are making a shark here. You want, you can color it with your choice of color, though they are black. No, these are gray and blue. This is like an explosion, but that's definitely not an explosion. We are making a sheep here, and that's how these are. So your sheep is all done. The next thing is, okay, so the color is also black, so you don't really have to color it though. The next one here is we are drawing a cow here. For that, all you have to do is watch the video quite carefully and make 4 legs, please. Okay, so your cow is all done. This is a one which is very most visible in the advertisements. Now making a heart shape, and okay, so that, oh, these are two, I can say best friends or else whatever you want to think, and that's done. The next one here is we are drawing 2 heart shapes and 2 small hearts in the end, and we are making 2 birds, a couple of bird, and that's done. So they look quite nice. You can color them in the end whatever color you want. The next one here is, what are we drawing here is, we are drawing a mouse here. So yeah, a rat or mouse, whatever you want to call him, and your mouse is almost done. The next is we are drawing a monkey, and for that you can draw them with your numericals. So you have to draw some 3s and your monkey is all done. The next one here is, what are we making here? Okay, we are making some carrot or radish because they both look really similar. There's only the difference of the colors, so I just can't get it. The next is we are drawing a butterfly here. No, not a butterfly, sorry, it's a porcupine. Okay, so that's the only thing we can give the color to. The next one here is, okay, what are we drawing here? Is a Shin-chan only, but this time he's doing some mischievous thing. And yeah, so he's having a hat on top of him. Okay. Okay, so we are drawing a flower here, and again another flower and a butterfly. Okay, so we are making few of the flowers, and they look quite nice. The next one here is we are drawing a cute bunny here, and I think that's also very famous character from some cartoon, but I'm not getting the name of him. Okay, so your bunny is all done, and thank you for watching the video, guys.